Hello there, everyone. Welcome back to Kids Zone, where we dive into the best health and fitness products to keep you on track with your goals. Today, we're taking a closer look at Proti-Thin's high-protein maple brown sugar oatmeal. This is a breakfast option that's not just convenient but also packed with protein. So, let's get into it. Here's the packaging for Proti-Thin's maple brown sugar oatmeal. As you can see, it's got a simple, clean design. Let's take a look at what's inside. Inside the box, you get multiple packets of this delicious oatmeal. Each serving packs a punch with 15 grams of protein, which is fantastic for a quick, healthy start to your day. Let's talk nutrition. Each packet is only 100 calories and contains 15 grams of protein and 8 grams of carbohydrates. The ingredient list is pretty clean too, primarily oats, soy protein isolate, and natural flavorings. It's sweetened with a touch of sucralose, which keeps it low in sugar. One thing to note is that it's a soy-based protein, which might be important if you're sensitive to soy. But for most people, this is a great way to get that protein boost without the extra calories. Now, let's prepare a bowl. It's super easy, just add water, give it a stir, and pop it in the microwave for about a minute and a half. That's really good. The maple brown sugar flavor is spot on, sweet, but not overpowering. The texture is creamy, and it doesn't have that chalky protein taste you get with some other high-protein products. So how does Proti-Thin stack up against other high-protein oatmeal options? Compared to, Proti-Thin has a cleaner ingredient list and a better texture, in my opinion. It's also lower in calories, which is a big plus if you're watching your intake. In conclusion, I think Proti-Thin's high-protein maple brown sugar oatmeal is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to add a convenient, high-protein option to their breakfast routine. I'd give it a solid 4.5 out of 5 stars. The only thing keeping it from a perfect score is the soy content, which might be a deal breaker for some. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and fitness reviews. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Proti-Thin or if there are any other products you'd like me to review. See you next time.